Hey, boo-boos. What are you doing, my love? Huh? What are you doing, my love?
What are you doing? She was dancing.
What's next? Oh, you were dancing? You have good dance moves.
I said love forehead, thinking of forehead.
You dance better than mommy.
That's true. I like that.
Show me your dance moves, babe.
Yeah, we're going.
Cuties.
Maybe we can get something extra.
Extra. Maybe a dessert? Maybe something cool? Come on. This is where we're gonna have lunch. It is 2:09. Oh yeah, we need trays, huh? Ooh, they have carrots. They have carrots. They used to have green beans. Alright, so I told her let me carry the tray. She's like, no. She pulls it away. That chicken right there almost falls off. I caught it. I caught it with my ninja reflexes. Ready to chow. My little daughter literally can't even right now. Oh, my boo-boo. And mommy's tired too. This battery's still doing real good. Season of 4th. I just found the best mug ever, and I'm thinking about even purchasing this mug. So it looks like the Haunted Mansion, but it says Forest Moon of Endor. And it has 3 hitchhiking Jedi ghosts. And I like that one too, that's pretty sick. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see him. Vince Vaughn is right over there. Pretty cool. Right there? Keep missing it right there. There it is. There goes Vince Vaughn right there. Pretty cool. So in the cart ahead of us is Vince Vaughn. He gets his whole entire coaster. That is pretty cool. He seemed real nice, but the guy that was walking around with him didn't seem very nice. Hey, babe. So we got on Space Mountain right behind Vince Vaughn. It was really cool. It was awesome. So he got his entire whole roller coaster for himself. He got the entire cart for his family. He seemed really nice. Pretty cool. We're behind him in line. Not that he waited in line, you know how that goes, but really cool. That made this trip pretty awesome. Love Vince Vaughn. Hopefully you see this Vince Vaughn. It's awesome.